Hi, this is Auralic at Rocky Mountain Audio Show, and we're demonstrating the latest Aries G2, Vega G2, and the Merak driving the YG acoustic Caramel 2 system. So the G2 is Auralic's latest and the reference product line. It gives you the original function of the Aries, but with more advanced function, like you can put a 2.5 inch hard drive inside, and it also have CNC machined whole piece of aluminum chassis we call the Unity chassis, and you got a high resolution true color display on the front, so you can see the coverage playing. Also, the machine is coming with full function of the operation manual, so you can operate anything like the setup, and also to access your library and to select track for all your playbacks. So you have an iPad, you can play, and you can also play with the remote control and also using the machine's function. The machine is coming with Auralic's latest galvanic isolation technology, which use physical isolator to separate the audio circuit and the processing circuit to isolate the digital noise created by the processing circuit. Also, the power supply are coming with two dedicated sections, two dedicated transformer, two dedicated regulator, so they are absolutely isolated. So the sound of the Aries G2 is pretty amazing. It sounds more analog, more rich, and it's such beautiful. The Vega G2 is going to be the upper level version of our new DAC. It's using our Tesla streaming platform to create enough processing power to handle the digital signal. Comparing to the regular DAC, we are using a different design. It's actually a digital recorder. It's not like a DAC. Because we have a huge memory of the processing platform, we can record all the input data into the system memory, and we remove all the jitter from the input signal. And then we apply the filters, we optimize the sound, and send it to the DAC. Which means no matter you use a $99 DVD player or a $10,000 CD transporter, they sound exactly the same and absolutely the best. The DAC is coming with an upgraded version of the femto clock. What we call is 72 femtosecond clock, comparing to the previous one, which is 82. So the DAC is with a better clock. We also use a customized DAC chip which you cannot buy from the market, because the DAC is also working always in the master mode. It doesn't need to lock into the input signal to make it pretty unique. On the analog section, we have our latest R2R ladder network based analog volume control. So we no longer use the DAC's digital control, which will compromise the dynamic range. The output stage of the Vega G2 also use our off-field Class A model, which sounds phenomenal with the original Vega version. The machine is also coming with a pair of analog input, which has a home theater bypass mode. The analog input doesn't go into the DAC, but directly go to the volume control, so it's not digitalized. It works like a purely analog preamp. One of the most important functions of the G2 series is we invented a link called Lightning Link. It's a bidirectional high-speed connection to send both music data and the control command between the different devices. So with the Lightning Link, we have resolved the problem of the USB connection for the instability and the digital noise, but it also carries a high resolution music, PCM up to 384 and the DSD to 512. Let me demonstrate a simple function for the Lightning Link. For example, if you change the volume, it actually sends the command from Lightning DS to the Aries. but the volume is actually processed in the Vega DAC through the analog volume control. So with a regular AES or USB connection, you can't do that. You cannot control because you turn the volume and actually the command only goes to the Aries. But right now, with the Lightning link, we change the number. You see the number is all the way sync to the Vega. It's actually changes the Vega of the volume. It goes the best way. Also, we can change like the settings of the Vega DAC through a wide portal or through the Aries G2 using the single control manual. For example, I'm going to turn the brightness of the display of the Vega G2 up so you can see the difference. So the Aries remains unchanged, but the Vega G2 is turning the light. The G series is going to be with 4 pieces. The Aries G2, the streaming processor, there is a series we call a processing unit. It will do the DSD upsampling and room correction. And there is also a reference master clock. It's coming by the end of the year. It's called the Leo G2 master clock. So with a full stack of 4 pieces, we're going to make a world-class reference digital source.